Now, this word is a fun word. It's a government body name. However, I'll explain why it's a fun word. Let's go to it. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have Dakhili İşler Nazirliği, or DIN, you can see. Dakhili İşler Nazirliği. A long one. Dakhili İşler Nazirliği simply, it's a Ministry of Internal Affairs or Interior Ministry or Ministry of Home Affairs. It depends, however, which country uses it. For us, Ministry of Internal Affairs. Okay? Let's take a look at some phrases. Before we move on to the sentences, I'll explain the fun use. Now, Ministry of Internal Affairs report. Dakhili İşler Nazirliği hesabatı. Report, hesabat. Dakhili İşler Nazirliği stays the same. If you want me to break it down, dakhili, internal, inside, işler, works, affair, nazirlik, ministry, nazirliği of the internal affairs. Now, interior ministry employee or employee of Ministry of Internal Affairs, Dakhili İşler Nazirliği işçisi. Next, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Internal Affairs, Interior Ministry, building. Building is bina. Binası of the building. Building of something, that's why. Dakhili İşler Nazirliği binası. Okay? This is our first sentence. However, the reason is why Dakhili İşler Nazirliği sometimes is funny is because of the abbreviation it has is D, I, N. So people whose native language is Turkish, Arabic, and maybe a little bit more, for them, and including us, din, the word, means religion. So every time they see then the uniforms of those people who are working for Ministry of Internal Affairs, they think that they are doing some kind of religious work, which has nothing to do with it. So that's why I've heard from many of them that din religious, they do like religious police or something. I said, no, it has nothing to do with that. It's just Ministry of Foreign Affairs abbreviation, right? Now, the sentence. Səhər briefingində Daxili İşlər Nazirliyi nümayəndəsi şəhər daxili təhlükəsizlik tədbirlərinin gücləndirilməsi barədə ətraflı məlumat verdi. Let's see, long sentence. At the morning briefing, the Interior Ministry representative provided detailed information on strengthening the urban security measures. Now, let's break it down. Səhər briefingində, at the morning briefing, Daxili İşlər Nazirliyi nümayəndəsi, the Interior Ministry representative, şəhər daxili tədbirlərin gücləndirilməsi barədə on strengthening urban security measures, ətraflı məlumat verdi, provided detailed information. Okay? Let's see the next sentence. Mətbuat üçün yayımlanan Daxili İşlər Nazirliyi hesabatı il ərzində həyata keçirilən islahatların nəticələrini rəqəmlərlə və müqayisələrlə geniş şəkildə təqdim etdi. Let's see what did they do. The report from the Ministry of Internal Affairs, released for the press, presented in detail and with figures and comparisons the results carried out during the year. Results of the reform, carried out during the year. It's long, bulky sentence. It already caught my eye that it gets over the 2026 semester Azerbaycan. But let's see. Mətbuat üçün yayımlanan, the report released for the press, Daxili İşlər Nazirliyi hesabatı, the Ministry of Internal Affairs report, il ərzində həyata keçirilən, carried throughout the years, islahatların nəticələrini, the results of the reform, rəqəmlərlə və müqayisələrlə with figures and comparisons geniş şəkildə təqdim etdi. Released for the press, presented in detail. Mətbuat üçün yayımlanan Daxili İşlər Nazirliyi hesabatı il ərzində həyata keçirilən islahatların nəticələrini rəqəmlərlə, müqayisələrlə geniş şəkildə təqdim etdi. It's all this one subscriber's fault. He asked for longer sentences, and there you go. Okay? Now, that was today's word, dakhli işlər nazirliyi, or like you see, then, let's see how else we can use it. I only speed walk when a memo from Dakhli İşler Nazirliği lands in my inbox. Cool beans. Now, let's see where else you can learn about Azerbaijani language. If you want to learn it by step, there's Master Azerbaijani app available in Google Store and App Store, where Module 1 is free and gives you the foundation that you would need to keep building the language with confidence. And for deeper grammar, pronunciation, culture, history, and learning tips, there's masterazerbaijani.com, where I post every 10 days my blogs. Otherwise, come back tomorrow. We're going to be learning about another government body. Cheers.